Most of us have always restricted our infatuation with glitters for festivals, parties, or concerts. So, in order to break this cardinal rule, we have 3 amazing ways to actually include glitter in your beauty regime. A glitter peel-off mask is the hottest trend in skincare right now. So this amazing DIY glitter face mask will give you that radiant glow without burning a hole in your pocket. So let's get to the base of this mask. All you need is 4 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and glitter of your choice. Pour some water in a deep dish pan and start boiling it. Add 4 tablespoons of fresh orange juice to the heat-resistant bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of gelatin and heat the mixture until the gelatin powder dissolves completely. Remove it from the heat and add glitter of your choice. And let it cool off a bit, but not for too long as gelatin solidifies very quickly. Use a spatula or a butter knife to apply 3 thin coats of the mask on your face, avoiding the eye area. Let the mask dry completely. Pull it off and rinse your face with water. Finish off with a light moisturizer. Use this orange peel-off mask once a week to get beautiful, healthy and glowing skin. If you love glitter nails, here's an easy way to achieve them at home in just about 5 minutes. All you have to do is pour out a good amount of your clear nail polish on a glass plate. Add a glittery loose pigment of your choice to the clear polish. Mix it well and apply it on your nails with a clean brush. If your mixture thickens, add more clear polish to bring back its consistency. To make the polish more opaque, apply a second layer of it. So go ahead, get experimenting and flaunt those glitter nails for days. Who doesn't love a stroke of shimmer on their face? While sometimes a heavy hand can ruin the look, adding a simple glitter can completely change the way you wear your everyday makeup. So start by enhancing your natural crease with a nude eyeshadow, leaving the center of the lids bare. Repeat the same on your lower lash line to add dimension to your eyes. Now, add a thin sheet of glitter on the center of your eyelids and balance it out evenly on both the eyes. Blend off the seams for an even look. Go in with an eye pencil of your choice and draw a thin outline on the upper as well as lower lash line. Use a smudging brush to soften the color on the eyes. Color in your brows, curl your lashes, and then go in with a heavy coat of mascara on your upper and lower lashes. Finish off the look with a soft nude lip color. We hope that you enjoy incorporating glitter in your beauty routine as much as we do. Do give these 3 tips a shot and let us know your thoughts on the same. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.